What is going on, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back. So, just want to do a quick little video on a few Swisstech items. The bow saw is quite nice, and the machete is actually really nice too. I think the BEILWERK camp hatchet is probably my favorite though. Let me kind of adjust this guy for you guys. If I get it loosened up, there we go. There we go. So I'm going to bring you guys closer. We're going to take a close look at a few of these items here. So we have the BLITZ 2.0 8-inch combo torch. The combo torch is actually quite nice. There's no light in here other than the little desk lamp. So this is the BLITZ 2. Low, medium, high. Push it again, it strobes. And then now you have a little torch. So that's low. And that's high. It's a little like a lantern. It's pretty cool. I actually like this. It's a very useful little flashlight. Okay. Turn that light back on. And that is the Swisstech BLITZ 2.0 8-inch combo torch. It's an 1800 lumen light on high or max. One of the other, in my opinion, favorites is this guy right here, which is actually this BEILWERK. This has to be one of the nicest sheaths I've seen. It does have a slot that you can hang it from a belt. It's not super heavy. The handle with the silicone grip feels pretty nice. I do like that it's got a little lanyard here. Paracord lanyard. But this sheath is very impressive. So it doesn't just protect the actual blade, it also protects the mattock tool. So this is a mattock end right here for digging, prying, stuff like that. You can use it to break rocks. You can use it to, dig holes. You use it for quite a few different things. But another thing is it's got a very nice thick spine, the way they made the blade. And I like that it's just attached with 4 Torx. But this sheath is super nice. I like that it is actually shaped to specifically hold the mattock tool here. And it's quite stiff, as well as it's easy to slide in and out of the hatchet side, and the blade is very, very sharp. What is taking off is just the skin on my fingers. It's super sharp. You could shave with this thing. It's how sharp it is. So this is going to be great. Now, there's 2 of them here. One is for my truck. The other one's for my wife's off-road rig. It's very, very light. Very, very nice. That's something I really like about this setup. I think I'm very, very fond of the very well-made sheath. You just fold that down. Tuck the mattock tool in. It fits in there like perfectly. Clip it, and both sides are protected. I like that because, so a lot of hatchets of most types, you literally get a sheath that protects the main blade, but you don't get anything that protects the cutting tool. And then, like I said, there's 2 of them. There's 2 of them. One's for me, one's for my wife. And then this is the ANDERN. This is a very nice little bow saw. It's a folding bow saw. And There's a few features on this that I really like. One of the features is that you don't have to keep this protective little plastic on the blade if you don't want to, because the way the blade folds up, the teeth actually face down inside here. And this is adjustable on tension. So you just swing this out, like so, and then you adjust this screw right here. You just turn it to adjust it, as an example. Why won't you focus? There we go. Turn it like that to adjust it. And, you know, turn it clockwise to move it in. Turn it counterclockwise to move it out. To loosen it. So counterclockwise is loosen. And then you fold it back and some good tension on it. And it's very easy to fold and stow. So, fold that in. Okay. You fold this guy straight, like so. The blade flips in, so blade down. So you can literally just take the plastic sheath off. I haven't used it yet, but and the blade faces the body. Then you fold the handle up and slide it in. And then all you do is there's a little nipple down here, a little plastic nipple that holds this pin. So you just boop, like so. Super nice. I really like that feature about this. And then when you go to open this lock, it pops that out of that little nipple. And then you just like slide, fold down, fold over, like so. Pop it in, lock it, and it's reassembled. Very nice. And then this machete here is also pretty slick. So I'll talk about the machete first. The machete is very well oiled. It does have a very nice sawback design, which is quite sharp. I mean, really sharp. And you can actually see it's got like little barbs that, you know, like a little hook there, a little hook here, and a little hook here. There's the 3 little hooks in each tooth. There you go. Very nice. This is extremely sharp. You can literally shave with this. It's just that sharp. It also has a ferrous rod right here that you can actually slide out. So you can actually use this to start a fire by just... That's a nice feature as well. And you just push that little button there. The other nice thing about it is the sheath. I actually quite like the sheath. There's a couple features on the sheath. You have a very wide, you know, up to like 2-inch belts. You could probably do a 3-inch, almost 4-inch wide belt, you know, even like a tool belt with this. But it also has a sharpener on the sheath. And the one other major thing I like about the sheath is that the bolster right here for the handle, it actually goes into the sheath. And it doesn't just have one lock. You can lock it over that, as well as you lock the handle here. So it's got 2 button straps. And it's also got a sharpener right here. So, a couple features I really like about this sheath. Hope the information helps, guys. Thank you guys for watching.